Well, yesterday started the trend of cold and cloudy. Today, we're adding rain and snow to the mix. We're going to keep that trend going for a few more days as well. Winter back in full force, but enough of winter to also cause a few issues on the roads. That's why we are to 1 for our threat index overnight tonight and through tomorrow morning as well. On the Max Track over the last few hours, we've seen some rain and snow mix showers, some of it spitting out there, but nothing collecting. Temperatures are still above freezing at this point, so you may have some falling. It may collect a little bit on the grass, but the roads, for the most part, are going to be fine until later on tonight when that temperature can drop enough to let the road surfaces get to freezing. But I mean, you've got some concentrations of rain and snow kind of right around the mountain parkway. You've got some rain sitting right up there, getting out towards our northeastern counties, and then some of it in the higher elevations, just plain snow. But then you get out towards the western counties, same thing. Some rain, some snow, some mix, and could even get a little bit of sleet mixed in. Pulses of showers. This isn't a big cold front. There's no big weather maker moving through the Midwest at this point. It is just a few pulse showers. So that's why you have scattered showers here and there. Not everyone gets them, but when you do, you have a chance to get a decent dropping of whatever the precipitation type may be. And overnight tonight, it will all change over to snow. So on the RPM, it's still kind of dirty as far as what the radar is concerned with, but getting in later on tonight, we do get a few swaths that come through. A little bit more organized. A line of snow showers that will roll through the bluegrass and eastern counties early tomorrow morning, and a second swath in the western counties around the same time. But that one will eventually move east and bring in more snow showers for those that probably won't get much until the morning commute. By the time we get into the early afternoon, everything is starting to exit out. We even see a little bit of sunshine before it goes down. And that's it, at least for this system. But we also have a few more coming through, mainly Thursday night and a Friday, and then a big storm expected over the weekend. We'll talk about that in a minute. But first, it's this storm that we have to pay attention to, this little pulse that's coming in. Up to an inch possible collection, and that's on roadways as well. This is not just a grass or on the trees or the roofs and things like that. You will have snow in those locations, but because temperatures are going to get down into the 20s overnight, we'll have enough time for road surfaces, even on the surface, to get down to freezing. So we're collecting anywhere between a few tenths of an inch and up to an inch of accumulation, and that does go through the morning commute tomorrow. So if you are going to be out on the roads around that time, take it slow, allow a little bit of extra time for you to get through it. Winter weather advisory for the bluegrass, the southern counties, and everybody east of 75 until about 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. This is what tomorrow is going to look like. Temperature-wise and snow-wise, your best chance for snow is going to come through right around 1 a.m. and last until 7. Everything changes over to snow once we get down to 32. And then right around noon is when those showers will start to come to an end. So things will, of course, start looking better at that time. A little bit of rain late Thursday night. That changes over to rain, snow early Friday morning. And then once again, getting into the weekend, we actually see a bigger storm system that's going to roll through. And that's going to bring up the chance. So once again, we are to 1 for our threat index. That should be expired sometime throughout the morning commute tomorrow. And then we just keep on packing it on. The weekend, Sunday into Monday, big system coming through. Could drop some rain, could drop some snow. And of course, we do not warm up anytime soon.
Dropping a little bit of everything. It'd be nice if we could drop a little snow for the Christmas parade tonight, but it's going to be later on. It would be. What
we don't want is for those going home from the parade to have to deal with any of it. So hopefully, the good news is most of it will miss those who are going out to the parade tonight.
All right. Thanks, Ed.
Well, there are only a few days left to adopt